Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hello, everyone. This is Poppy, and as you can see, I'm in the living room. This is a first of a new playlist, Poppy's Brew Review. As you know, you may know, many of the people that I associate with, have associated with, work with, have worked for, drink beer, drank beer, will drink beer. Full disclosure, my favorite is Coors. So this is not a totally new beer to Poppy, but it's been since I was in my 20s when the last time I drank it. So it may have changed. Coors changed its formulation like 12 years ago. Coors Banquet went to 5.2% alcohol, and the hops flavor increased dramatically. I don't know what they did to Coors Light. Anyway, subjective tests. The pour. How does it pour? Well, it pours like a cold liquid with a modest head. Nice carbonation. Tastes like Coors. You notice you didn't see it enter Poppy's mouth. Therefore, the federal government can't say that I was showing myself drinking it. But I can still talk to you about it. A good hoppy note. Very good hop note. I can barely taste malt. Just barely. A little taste of malt is okay. No. Hey, why Poppy drank Coors Light in his 20s? Because at that time, you could get Coors Light for less than Coors Banquet. And, well, didn't have the money then. Oh, speaking of money, in some of my other videos where beer is not involved, I bleated about the fact I've been spending my beer money to get stuff for the shop. You know, get stuff for the shop so I can make a video. Right? Hey, why don't we make a video? Go directly to the source material. Anyway, I mean, that's Coors. Let's see if I can get a nice pour in this odd position. Not very on the longevity of the head, but oh no, I'm not even going to go to that obvious joke about how long the head should last. I'll let you people's dirty minds think about that one. Uh, but, some people like a lot of foam, right? They want tons of it. I don't especially care about foam. I like cold, wet, good flavor, and a modest amount of mood. Smoother. Don't elevate it, don't depress it, just smooth it out. For anyone you want to comment, yes, I know this is not an actual schooner, but it's the closest I have to a schooner in the house. Uh, I figure if I'm anyway, I figure an Atlanta holy water glass is okay for a little bit of Colorado Kool-Aid. Nice afternote on the burp. Oh, come on. You true aficionados out there, you guys, you, you true aficionados really do know how to appreciate a good aftertaste on the burp. And sometimes, hi, officer. That's all that makes it worthwhile stopping the car. Oh, no. Poppy does not advocate drinking and driving. Poppy barely advocates drinking and walking. No. See, another brand of beer used to use in their commercial that it was their brand name time. Right? Okay, I'll say it. It's Miller time. Why? Because they were trying to sell Miller. They were trying to sell. Yeah. Yeah, it's Coors. Tastes sort of like the Coors of when I was a kid. When, it was 3.2. Before, a few years ago, when they made it 5.2%. Yeah, the extra alcohol was nice, but the hoppy flavor was really the flavor of the beer at 5.2% was extremely good. Extremely good. And now it's the standard. Against which all other beers going to get judged against here in this shop. Coming up next, Christy, what was that other one your mother got me? Okay, coming up on the next episode, Steel Reserve. True, it's not a beer, but it is a brew. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Those of you who are old enough and not at work and inclined to have a beer, enjoy. Good night.